In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the standalone program for Mac for older models. If you go to the Apple sign at the top and it's about this Mac, it will show you what year your model was made and what model it was. If it's an older model before 2020, then you should use this program. You go to Safari, type in limitlessclassrooms.org online HTM, enter, then press this link for the MacBook, and then we're going to be installing for the older models. So we press this link here, close, and we have to allow the machine to download from the limitlessclassrooms.org website. So we allow that, and we can see that the download has started here. So we can now minimize this, and we go to our Finder and go to the downloads in our Finder, and you can see that the LCDMG download has started, and it'll just take a few moments before it finishes. Okay, we're in Finder and in the download section, and you can see that the LCOX DMG has finished downloading. The first thing we're going to do is to right click on it. Not left click, but right click, in order to bypass any security. And we're going to drag the icon over to the applications folder. Once we've done that, we can actually close this and close this, eject. You don't have to close it. You could leave it open if you wanted, and go to applications, and then the Limitless Classrooms icon is here. Again, we're going to right click on this file in order to open it for the first time, bypassing any security. So we open with a right click. Now it's saying to move to trash. It doesn't recognize it, so just cancel. The first time you do it, it may come up like that, but do it a second time, right click and then open, and it will give you the options to open it. And this is just the first time you'll need to do it like this, and then the program will start. Now the first time you start it, you need to choose your institution. So suppose you're a student at Koinonia Theological Seminary in the Philippines. Here I'll click that and then confirm. You only have to do that once. After that, it remembers your institution, and it will go straight into this entry page. And then we enter. And the first thing we have to do is to allow the program to use your camera and microphone. So we press OK, OK. And now you should see your camera coming up here, and you should see your microphone responding here. You can change the camera source or the audio sources here, but you shouldn't really need to do that. If this is responding correctly, you see your camera and you see your microphone responding, you can answer yes. If you don't, you can troubleshoot by pressing no. But here I'm going to press yes. And then we go to where we choose the class that we're enrolled for. And there's no class yet opened. And so that's basically the end of what I want to show you, except for the fact that if you go back to the home, and you'll see on the first page, Mac users should click here to allow share screen. I advise you to do this right from the beginning when you first install the program, so your machine is ready to share screen and to show you PowerPoint in the classroom. So click here and then proceed, and you'll see a pop-up come up for you to go to System Settings. You press that and you choose Limitless Classrooms, and you allow it then to share the screen or to do the screen recording. You'll need to put in your password for your Mac machine as well and modify the settings, and then it will ask you to quit and reopen the Limitless Classrooms. So we've quit and we'll reopen the Limitless Classrooms. If you were suppose to click here again, you could go in you could proceed, but you'll see that there's no pop-up now that comes up, which means that you have successfully made it the permission for sharing your screen. And so you're all set now to study online. God bless you in your studies.